This is the new way to make a payment to your M1 Finance credit card. From your homepage of your portfolio, we're going to roll over to our liabilities section and click on Spend. As you can see, I have a credit balance and I would like to make a payment. I do that by selecting the Make a Payment button on the top right. This is going to be Pay M1 Credit Card. So I have to select an external account. This is going to be my checking account in another bank. I'm going to make a payment to my M1 credit card. You can make the statement, current balance, but I'm going to do an other amount. I'm going to click $100. Scroll down to the bottom. You also have this tab here. You can enable auto pay if you would like from this screen. Make payment, confirm one-time payment. We have $100 going from our external checking account to our M1 credit card. I'm going to click confirm. Payment created. I now have $100 to my M1 credit card. Let's click on done. That is how you make a payment to your M1 credit card the new way.